Uju and Dinaway Magan Idog. Since we're all locked inside dealing with coronavirus, I thought I'd share with you a few of the favorite Ojibwe language valentines that my students have come up with this year. Oji Mishin. Donganun. Wabuzina Gedudem. Gimikawadis. Gojitun Nibaganing. Gikinjagwanishin. Gizikun. Abajitun Binda Ujagas. Weweni Mujitun. Bapasadie Tawishin. Giwiaguz ina. Dokobidun Ninanjin. Aquandawanishin. Manadida. Nojumo Manadiwin. Odamino Tawishin. Gizagian. Gishawanamin. Gishawanamina. Gaskanaso Tawishin. Giwinimina. Giwiwiju ina. Gidamikan ina. Gidagikandan Jimikaman. Gojipidan. Giwinatun ina. Majishin. Bashki Manishin. Biskakonebidun Mazinakizigan. Atun Dengwe Mazanaiganing. Gizi Konaye Tawishin. Gizi Konaye Tamawishin. Minobinishin. Ikogan. Please remember to speak respectfully and date responsibly. Ahau migwe chapegishmin wain meg.